Hello friends, my name is Hameed. Today I'm working on this Miele fridge. The fridge compartment is on the top, freezer is at the bottom. The model number on this unit is KF1801SF01 Kilo Foxtrot 1801 Sierra Foxtrot 01. The customer's complaint is that the fridge compartment is not working, the freezer is okay. When I got here today, the first thing I checked was my lights. So when I opened the door, I saw inside of the fridge it was completely dead, except on the display it was flashing, it was beeping and flashing, but it was not cool at all. And what I did was I put my hand here on the door where the lights are. There's circular lights. If you put your hand on the light while the unit is in on position, it's an on position, but when you open the door and you see it's an off position, that tells me that the lights are staying on, and then after a couple of minutes it overheats the whole unit, and then after that the unit does not work. So to fix this, I'm going to show you some stuff here. You see these lights, if they stay on for a couple of minutes, eventually they're all gonna turn off, and then of course it's gonna overheat the unit, and then you're gonna have problems. So in order to fix this, there could be so many things when the unit is not cooling, especially the fridge is not cooling, the freezer is working. So the first thing you want to do is you want to check your lights to make sure they're going off. When you close the door, the lights should go off. When you open it, the light should stay on. So what's happening right now is I'm going to confirm it if the lights are going off or not. So I'm going to use my camera here. I'm going to turn this on here. So what you can do is you turn it on if your fridge is not cooling. So you turn on your phone and then leave it inside. Just going to leave it like that. And now I'm going to close the door, because the moment you close the door, the light should go off. So wait a couple of seconds and then knock on the door 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Open the door. Of course the video is on here. And now go back again here on your video and see when you close the door if the light goes off or not. If the lights are going off, then that's a different problem. But if the lights are staying on, that's my problem right here. So if you put your phone inside, make a video and then close the door, open it back again, and you see the lights are still not going off, then you're gonna have to confirm to make sure the magnet is not missing here. There's a magnet and you want to check if it's missing. That's your problem. So you need a small stepping stool and a steel screwdriver. So you have to hold it closer to the magnet and go like this. See, my magnet is good, it's not missing. You can also remove this top plastic cover and check it from here to see if the magnet is missing or not. If it's missing, you may want to replace it. If it breaks or it falls down, or if it's missing, you will also have the same problem. The next part is I can also hear a noise here. This noise is not normal. You cannot hear this noise all the time, but in case if you hear this noise, then that's another problem. So the next part you can do is you have to have a magnet. You can find a magnet from anywhere. You just make sure it's a good magnet, see? So I'm going to use this magnet right here, and when you bring it here, you have to hold the magnet closer to this reed switch. So the magnet, you're going to hold it closer to this reed switch in this area and hold it. So hold it up, bring it down, wait, bring it more down, wait. You can also hear a clicking noise because this is the reed switch which is located here. I'm going to remove this cover. So in order to remove this reed switch, you have to remove this cover first. So you could pry it out. Just be careful. This is the reed switch. The Miele fridge has a different reed switch. It's not like other regular fridges. This magnet, it's closer to that tube and it makes connection. You can hear a noise. Even if you hear a noise and the lights are still staying on, that means this could be the problem. So what I'm going to do is I will turn off the unit now. There's a switch at the bottom. I'm going to show you. Right there, there's a switch. And then we need to replace port number 7159390. It's called reed switch, and we're going to have to replace this. Remember, if your reed switch is not working, I will also show you another trick to make it work. So first of all, I'm going to remove this. To remove it, it's a little bit tricky. You have to go slowly from top and bottom and put pressure in here and wiggle it back and forth. Do not pull it out full force, otherwise you're going to break this glass here. Also remember, if your reed switches, you think it's working but the lights are not going off, sometimes it comes loose. I've seen it on some units. If it's loose, what you can do is push hard on it and then turn off and on the power and see what happens, because your lights are staying on and gets hot all the time. So each time you do this, you have to wait for at least 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. So turn off the unit after 4 minutes, turn it back on, and then while this cap is off, you use this magnet closer here and see. If the lights are going off, that means it was loose and you pushed it back in. That fixes the problem. But if that didn't help, what you can do is you have to pull it out again, wiggle it back and forth. And now the next trick is to put this somewhere, and you have to hit this relay. At the back of this relay, you have to hit this relay a couple of times only, or you can hold it in your hand and hit it with the back of the screwdriver. Do not damage this tube, please. Only focus on this relay. By hitting it a couple of times and reinstalling it back in, the way you reinstall it, it only goes in one way. You see those pins? They go at the back here. So hold it, push it back, and use your magnet again. See the magnet? You have, just to be on the safe side, you can put this cover back in. Now I can use this magnet here. If this didn't help, your only option is to replace the reed switch. It does work on some units, so I've done this before, and that usually takes care of the problem. But in this unit, it didn't, so you can try this. What I did by tapping on the reed switch relay here, this one, and if that fixes the problem, good. If not, then you have to order this reed switch and replace it. Nothing is happening, so I'll turn it off. To do this, you have to turn off the unit, and then you can replace this. Okay, so you hold it from here again. Here, this comes out. This is the old one, and here's the new one here. Reed switch you order comes in a different color. Don't worry, don't get confused. It's gonna work fine. So it has a slot in here. You see that slot right there and right here. This is supposed to get inserted like a cord, and then push on it. This reed switch cover it goes both ways. So if you look, there's a top part, the large part, and then the smaller part is the lower part. Smaller part, large part, so you can not make mistake. If you make a mistake and you put the large part at the bottom, it's not gonna sit. So you install it this way. Hold it, match the measurement here. See this one in the lower part, the top part looks the same. The plastic tabs on it. If you damage it, then you're gonna have to order a new one. So it sits good now. I'm gonna turn it back on here. It's on. And now I'm gonna use my magnet. So maybe this magnet is not working. Or I'm gonna use this magnet. So the unit is good. Maybe this magnet is not strong enough. So it's possible that, let me turn it off. It's possible that by tapping the relay, it fixed the problem too. I just want to confirm it if it's working or not. So I'll remove this. I'll add the old one back in, because after I tapped it, maybe I used the weak magnet. So here you go. Put the cover back in. I'm gonna turn it back on. And here's the strong magnet I have here. So tapping the relay actually helps. It's fixed, but it does not mean I'm gonna reuse the old reed switch. I'll turn it off. And now I'm gonna install the new reed switch here. This one, turn it on. And just for fun, I'm gonna make another video here to see if the light is going off or not. Leave it like that. And I'm gonna close the door. Wait a couple of seconds, and then knock on it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and I'll open the door. You can also hear the fan running, so that also tells me that the unit light was going off actually. So here, the light went off. The unit is good to go now. So the fridge is fixed. It can take up to 12 hours in order to maintain its temperature. Other than that, everything seems to be working fine. The fan is running. The only problem was this reed switch that I replaced. It's good now. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any question, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share it with others. You can also follow me on Facebook and on TikTok, the same name, Hameed Appliances Repair. Thank you.